Wait, you could tell mommy thank you.
Thank you, ma.
Ah, okay. All right. So let's take on 27. Okay. So let's look at number 27. I think number 27 looks like something we've done, but let me not assume. Let's read number 27. Who is going to read for us? Wait, can you read that 27? Let's see.
Elena is. Oh, it's not Faith Town. Which name did you call?
I said Faith.
Don't say a cylinder is of height 5 centimeter and width radius of 2 centimeter.
Okay.
Use the value 3.14 for pi r for pi
Yes,
pi.
that's fine. That symbol there is pi. You're correct. It's pi. That's what it's called. Go ahead.
To calculate the area of its covered surface to the nearest
So,
centimeter place.
yes, the area of its curved surface to the nearest square centimeters. Okay. You remember that cm that has raised to power 2. It's not just centimeters. It's square centimeters. Okay. So now the question we are dealing with what? A cylinder. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So a cylinder. Have you ever seen? Can you remember how a a tin of pig milk looks?
Yeah?
Hmm? A
Is it
tin of pig milk. Pig milk.
pig milk? Yes. Pig
Yeah.
milk. Pig
Yes.
milk. Yes.
Okay. So do you remember that place where the paper is on the side of the pig milk? Have you ever removed the paper before?
No.
You've never
No.
removed it. Okay. But you see that paper, right? That paper that is around the pig milk is on the curved surface. Do you understand? The top of that pig milk and the bottom of the pig milk, they are not curved. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now let me take it again to understand. The top of the pig milk, that's the side that you usually put a hole in so that you can start drinking it or putting it in your tea. It's not curved. The bottom too is not curved. Both of them are circles, right? But
Yes.
they are but in between on the side where you have the paper of that pig milk, that is the curved surface. Do we understand now? Now I'm going to share my screen and show you with a diagram so that you understand it better. Just tell me when you can see my screen. Can you see my screen now? Wait, you're not looking up. Oh. Are you writing down something?
Yes.
You can see it. Okay. Okay, good. All right. So this is what I was trying to say, or this is what I said actually. Okay. There's a. This is the top of your peak milk. Faith is not looking. No, Faith, are you looking?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. And this is how your peak milk looks. Okay. Now this place is the top. It's a circle. Okay. This top is a
Yeah.
circle. The bottom too is a circle. But the side, this curve, this side like this is what is the curved surface. Now, I want people to imagine we're going to take this tin of pig milk apart. Okay? Tell me, tell me what if this is what you will see. Remember, we're taking it apart. So imagine that mommy wants to use I don't know what they call that thing, like a tin cutter, right? And tear the tin milk apart completely. This is what you will see. You will see a circle. This circle is the top of the pig milk. you will see a rectangle. Okay, the rectangle is the side, that side that was curved, the curved surface. Then you will now see another circle, which is what? The bottom of the thick milk. Do you both agree with me? Do you both
One
agree
day
with me that this is
I've
going to
done.
happen?
I've one day I've removed this cylinder before. I've removed the cylinder before
The top.
a type.
Okay, good. I want you to remember. Have you ever seen where they use peak milk tin, the one that the milk has finished, but they use it to do moi moi? Have you seen it before?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Now, just I want you to imagine that your mom or whoever you saw doing it did exactly that. They removed the top, they removed the bottom, and then they stretched out the side. If you stretch out the side, do you know that you will get a rectangle?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And sir,
Uh,
do you know that
eh?
you have taught this thing before?
What? Have I taught
You
you
have
guys
taught
this?
you have taught us before.
No, I don't think I have. Oh. I've not taught you
No,
this before. This is the first time
I
I'm teaching
remember
you.
it
Maybe
was
it's taught you in
before.
school. Okay. So now, let me say something here, right? Please, please look at my screen very well. There's something I want to explain. This rectangle that I are seeing, okay? This rectangle that I are seeing, the length of the rectangle. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This area, this place, from
Yes,
here.
sir.
Can you see where my pencil is? Where my pencil
Yeah.
is? Good. This place that my pencil is moving. The length of this place, eh, is exactly the same as the circumference of this circle one.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's
Do
the
you know
same
why it's the same?
circumference.
Yes, it's the same as the
Oh, yes. If
circumference.
you round it again, it will be like
Thank
this.
you very much. Thank you. If you wrap it, it will go exactly around that circle one. And also,
Okay.
the opposite side, that is here, this place like this, that my pencil is again, is also equal to the
Two
circumference
of
of the
number two.
number two. Thank you very much. You people are intelligent. Good. So the next thing I want to say is that the breadth of this rectangle, that is here. Look at my pencil. Oh. Don't be distracted. Look at my pencil. This place like this,
Yeah.
the breadth is equal to the height of the cylinder. You remember before you saw it apart, cylinder has
Yes,
a
it
height.
happy to be the same. See, it's
Yes,
very
it will
equal. See, yeah.
yes, it
Okay.
will exactly be the same thing. Okay. So that thing that they're calling the height of the cylinder is the same thing as the breadth of this rectangle. Do we understand?
Yes. Yes.
Thank you very much. Now let us now go back to the question and see. Now the question asked us for the curved surface. Again, remember, I'm going to write it down so that in your when you are writing it down in your book, you will write it down. The curved surface, the curved surface of a cylinder is also the curved surface area. Yeah, the curved surface area of a cylinder is the area also the area of the rectangle gotten from, or should I say, let's just say the rectangle part of the of the feeling that no. Okay.
Why are you not using it?
Solid. Are you writing?
Yes.
Okay, good. You may need to also sketch this later in your book. It does not need to be perfect, but just do your best to sketch it exactly as you see on my screen. A net of any solid shape is the of, of the shape that
That
solid shape. Don't worry, I will explain the things that I've not explained yet. When the solid shape is on a or flat. Okay, sorry, I think I left something out. Two the two-dimensional shape that are formed. Okay, all right. So if you, I hope you have you seen what I wrote? Let me print it out so that you see it clearly.
yes,
Okay. Sorry, I didn't add that two-dimensional when I was typing it before, but I thought it was okay to write it. So remember, the first one is
Favour is done.
okay. Good. Okay, let's wait for Faith.
It is in the two-dimensional.
Okay. Okay.
Boy, 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 boy,
Okay. Faith. Faith, are you done now?
I'm almost done. I'm in a part
Okay.
or flattened.
Flattened. Okay, that's good. All right. So let me explain the things I've not explained in the definitions I just gave you. I didn't tell you what a net is. Okay, so that's what I just
Yeah.
gave you the definition of. A net of any solid shape is made up of the two-dimensional. Two-dimensional just means flat, something that is flat. Okay, you can represent it on your piece of paper or anything that is flat. Okay, two-dimensional. Okay, it only has two dimensions. It's made up of the two-dimensional shapes that are formed when the solid shape is torn apart or flattened. I want you to imagine the tin of pig milk we've been talking about since morning. Okay, a tin of pig
Yeah.
milk, you can hold it in your hand, isn't it? Let me ask you,
Yeah.
is a tin of pig milk flat? Is it flat?
No.
No, thank you very much. It's not flat. But when you do it, when you use a thin cutter and tear it apart the way we have done here. Where we have one circle one, circle two. Wait, don't be distracted. Though. Come closer to the computer so that you see what I'm doing. Circle one, circle two, and then the rectangle. Okay. When you tear it apart, it now becomes flattened, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Aha. So you can think about it this way. This thing that which you are seeing here, this thing that which I've done here, this is what I've done here like this. Let me put it in a box. This thing
Oh,
is called the net. It's called the what? You can tell me. It's the net.
the net
Uh,
cylinder.
thank you very
Cylinder.
much. Cylinder. It's not a cylinder. It's the net of a cylinder. Okay. Take note.
Yeah.
This one is the net of a cylinder. Then this one that is on the left hand side is a cylinder. Is that okay?
Yes.
All right. So now let's go back to the question and see what the question is asking us for. The
Is it
question
back?
said yes. So just the question said we should calculate what the area of the curved surface. So now the curved surface is what? The same thing as the area of the rectangle. Okay?
Yeah.
Let's now calculate the area of our rectangle. Always remember, area of rectangle is always what? Length times what?
Breadth.
Thank you very much. Length times breadth. So let's just write it down here. A is equal
Equals
to
to two open bracket
no
L
area,
times B
area,
whole.
area, area, not perimeter.
Okay. Open bracket L times B close bracket.
No need for any open bracket. It's just L times B.
A.
Yes,
Uh,
now. Hmm.
what you were saying? Sorry.
Uh-huh. Okay, so it's L times B. Now, remember, what is our L? Our L is equal to the circumference of the circle on top, isn't it?
Yes, yeah.
Thank you very much. So let's go and find out what the circumference of that circle is. Remember, circumference of a circle is given by what? 2 pi r, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now let me write it here so that you will not forget. 2 pi what? R. Okay, don't write, so just follow my explanation. Now that is the length. The breadth is given by the height of the what? Of the cylinder. So let's write it there like that. H. Can you see what is happening now?
Yes, sir.
So let's go ahead and look for what is our pi. Our pi, they told us pi is what? 3.14, isn't it?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Who can tell me what was the radius from the question? Wait, you are the one that read it. Can you remind us? What
Two.
was the radius from the question?
Two.
2. Was it? Okay. All right. That's 2.
Two.
Okay. So now we're done with the 2 pi r. Let's calculate what's the height.
The height is 5. The
Yeah.
height 5. 5, 5,
Thank
5.
you. The height is 5. Thank you. Oh yeah. Are we ready to calculate? Are we ready to calculate?
Yes, sir.
All right. So now, who can tell me the easiest way to do this calculation that we have in front of us? Who can tell me?
Yeah.
I want to take your knowledge from your knowledge of mental math. Who can
We
tell me the
times
easiest
everything. We times everything by 2.
by 2? Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Times everything that they gave us, like 2 times 3. Like 2 times 3.
Okay.
1.
So wait, let me see if I can help you. You said we should count everything by 2. Which of the
Yes.
there's already a 2 there.
Yes.
Should we choose one of the twos, or we should just use multiply everything as we see there? Favour, what do you think?
One of the 2s. No,
Okay, which one should we use? The one on
no,
the
this
left or the
one.
one
Right. No, left. This is it.
on
I'll
the right? Okay,
strike it.
then I yes. Okay, good. Let's do that left one. Okay. Now I want you to in your Can you do this without writing it down? 2 times 3.14. Remember, when you're multiplying things that have decimal points, pretend that there's no decimal point, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So, okay. I want you to do this thing. You're doing it in your mind, though. I'm just writing it down here so that you will understand
Sir,
how it should have
sir,
come. Yes,
it's times 2 is 628. That is times
six
2. So
and
times
28.
5 will be 20.
Now, don't
Two,
forget, though, it's 628, but is it exactly 628 or
no,
6 point?
6.28.
Thank you very much. 6.28. Now, this is where my question came from. Now, what should I do next? Who can tell me what I should
Times
do next?
5. 2 times
Why?
2. No,
No, no,
6.28 times 5.
no. Try
6
again. Try
times
again.
2, 8. No, sir, I want to just give a definition.
Yes,
That
go ahead. Try.
yes, they are two. They gave one and another two. They gave us two twos. So the
Yes,
remaining. Sir, so the that's it by 100. That will do because
100. 100.
yes, sir.
Why did you say 100? Why are we multiplying by 100?
Did you?
So, favor, you wanted to say something. I was expecting you to say something
Yeah.
times it by, but you said 100. Don't you think we should
Yeah.
multiply it by 10? Look at it. 2 times 5 is
Me,
what?
I said it. I said that you should times it 2 times 5, and people shut me up when I wanted to say it.
2 times 5 is what?
Say,
Can you see it?
only God know what I was thinking that when we should times it by 10, that it will be
Don't worry, don't worry. You still have the opportunity to times it by 10. Alright, 6.28 times 10 will give you what?
6.280.
Mm,
6.280.
wow.
Without even calculating, you just remove the zero and put it at the back of it. And that's what
Mm,
I just said now.
ah,
Yeah.
like disappointing me. Oh. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. 6.28 times 10. Anytime you're multiplying by powers of 10, what do we do? Remember your mental math. Don't forget that thing. What happened to the decimal point?
You will remove.
No.
You put it at the back.
What do you mean by put it at the back? Do you move it to the left hand side or to the right hand side? That's what I'm asking.
Right.
Thank you. It's to the right. Okay. Don't forget that thing. Hmm? You move it to where? The right. Now let us move it.
Right.
You move it to the right. How many times are you moving it to the right?
2.
No. How many zeros
3.
are there? How many zeros are there in 10?
1.
Eh?
1.
Thank you. So you only move it one. Do we understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't forget so. If you move it once, 6.28 will become what?
62.80. No,
Or
62.80. 62.8.
2.8. Forget about that.
62.8.
52 point. Please don't put any zero again at the back. Eh? So that's the answer. Okay? So the answer is equal to what? 62.8. What?
Yeah.
CM
And
what?
that's not what is not in our
What?
book.
I know now. We're not done. We're not done. Don't worry. We're not finished. 62.8 what? Squared centimeter. Now the question said to the nearest. Who can tell me what nearest means? Can tell
Something
me what
close. Something
close to
close.
what? What? Close
Very
to what?
something.
Go ahead. I like that. I like the trial. Go ahead. Something
Let's
close
meet
to what?
something close. Like something. Something close to each. Something like me and Faith were close. Like one near.
Okay.
Like
I know now, but we're talking about mathematics now. Near
you
what?
close nearest in mathematics is the nearest in approximation.
Okay. Approximation to what? Do you understand what I'm trying to say? The question,
To the
we look
to
at
centimeter.
nearest to what? Yes, go ahead. Somebody said something. Nearest means
Centimeter
what?
square.
Okay, centimeter square. Okay, all right. Okay, so I guess if we have an idea. So nearest just means to the whole number. Okay, means to approximate. Okay,
Mhm.
to a whole number. So are you ready now to approximate? Who can remember
Yes.
how we approximate? Who can remember?
I I
Yes, let's go ahead.
if
Say
it
it.
is below five, we supposed to round
Yeah.
it up to zero. If it is above five, we
Oh,
are equal to five. We should round it up to nearest one, and we
okay.
add it to
Yes.
the next digit.
Thank you. Correct. Correct. So what are we looking at here? We're looking at point eight, isn't it?
Yes.
So is point eight up to five or greater than five? Is it up to five?
Greater. Use three to
Okay, so what
multiply.
should I do? So
We should
62.8.
approximate it to the nearest one.
Yes. So it will now become what?
63.63 centimeter square. Centimeter square, not
Thank
centimeter.
you so much.
Is it
People are very good.
centimeter?
Centimeter square. That's the answer.
And it is D. And something say I should pick D before.
Okay.
When
So
we're still doing this one yet. And
are you
something I
ready to
should
write now?
pick D. Yes, that.
Are you ready to write in your book?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead. Don't forget to set this thing on cylinder and the net of the cylinder. Don't forget to set it before you start rolling.
So we should draw the cylinder.
Yes, so it is very important. You can see that when I drew it, you understood what I was saying better. So,
So when I finished my definition, I did not know. I started to write. So me too.
okay, no problem. You can just set it somewhere. The important thing is that you set it close to the working, so you
Oh,
remember.
I didn't close to my definition.
Okay, that's fine. Still okay.
Hmm. Sir, please can you scroll down? I'm almost at the fin. I'm almost done. Sir, please
Okay,
can you?
good. Yeah, I'll slow down. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
All
So, Past Favour is done.
Let's wait for- Okay, so are you done now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go to number 28. So Favor, you read it for us this time.
Yes, sir. Okay, I'm coming. 23, 28 is a cone is 8 centimeter high and it was a base diameter of 12 centimeter. It is slant height is
Okay, so now if you notice something, the number 27 was about cylinder, right? Number
yeah
28 is about another solid shape called cone. Who can tell me what a cone? Who can remember something that a cone looks like? Who can tell me?
a cone is
Yes,
like a triangle with a circle on the bottom.
with
Yes,
a
sir.
circle on the bottom. Faith, do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Faith, do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I want you to think carefully. Where in real life, where have you seen cone before?
Ice
In
cream
real
cone.
life, as in everyday things, maybe in a movie or at school. Where have you seen a cone before?
Ice cream cone.
Thank
Every ice
you. Ice cream. I know you will remember that one. How
cream.
about wait, let me see another place where you can find a cone. Have you ever seen um all these clowns
Yes,
this that
yes,
dress dress up in a funny way?
yes.
What's the shape of their cap?
It's
Like a cone,
happy.
isn't it?
It's like a happy birthday something. Happy
Like a
birthday, girl.
like a happy birthday cap, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That is also a cone. So now, now we have an idea. I like how people said it's a triangle and I have like a circular base. Now, do you know that a cone is a solid shape? It is not flat. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Once you understand that, that also means that a cone has a neck. But we're not looking at the neck of a cone for now. Let's look at the question
Not
what the
the
question wants us to solve. Now, a cone, remember, it's like a triangle. Now, I want
yes,
people to think carefully. I'm going to use in your mind, imagine that I use a knife to cut this cone into two equal parts. What will you see? Now, look at where I'm cutting it. To. I'm cutting it along the vertical, along the height, where my pencil is, where I'm cutting it. Okay? I'm cutting it along the height, straight through the middle. Okay? I'm cutting it up to the place where the circle is, and I stop. Okay? Who can tell me what I would see
to do
when
like this.
I cut it like that?
It will be
Of course.
half of a cone. No,
Go ahead, half of what now?
no. It will be like like this.
Who is going to cylinder again now? I didn't ask for the net. This is length of a cylinder. Please erase it so that you don't confuse us. This is not what we are doing. It's not net of a cylinder. I'm not asking for the net. I said let's cut it into two, four, five. What will you say?
It,
Okay,
it,
don't
it,
worry. Let me help you. Let me help
it's
you.
three equal
But
parts
now
of
I
a
want to.
cone.
I want to. The
3 equal parts of a cone.
two equal halves of a cone. This is what you will see. You, imagine you are looking at it from the side. You will see a right angle triangle. Do you know that?
Yes. See
Uh,
now, see right angle and right angle. Rectangle and rectangle.
was
Rectangle
that
and
what you wanted to say?
yes, sir.
Uh-huh. Okay, now, you see that question was asking us for something called slant height. Do you remember?
Yes,
Favor, you are
sir.
the one that read it. Do you remember the question saying something about slant height?
Yes, sir.
That slant height, let's call it S. This is the S. The S is the slant height. And that S is the hypotenuse of our right angle triangle. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. Now, where is the real height of this cone? The real height is this place. Can you see where my pencil is writing 8?
Going to be 8. Mm-mm.
Yes, that's the real height. Now, the base is that circle at the bottom. Its
12.
radius is here. Can you see it?
Yes, sir. 2. Sorry, 28.
Now, let's go back to the question. The question now told us that we should, a cone is 8 cm high. What does that tell me? That this h is equal to what? 8 cm. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
That's number one. Number two, it now told us that it has a base diameter. Diameter is 2 times the radius. Always remember, diameter
Yeah.
is 2 times radius. That means if I need the radius, I have to divide diameter by what? I need to divide diameter by what to get the radius?
Diameter, so
Yes, I have to divide it by what to get the radius?
then you have to diameter. We have to divide. You have to divide it by the radius.
No, I need to divide it by 2.
That will be 6.
That would be 6, correct. So that means R is equal to what? 6. Now, they now asked us for S. So let's put a question mark there. So we don't know what that S is. That's what we're supposed to find. Now, let me see. This is what we learned this thing on Saturday. Oh. Let me see if people will get it. What should I use to find S?
Eh?
We learned it on Saturday. Yes. What should I use?
Should you
It
use
was
to
one of
get
the things that
S?
we learned
You should
about.
use
Yes.
what should you
Yes.
use to get
You
S?
Yes.
You should use B B H and R to get
And now tell me, what should I use? What theorem should I use? I'm giving you a clue. That's why I'm asking the question like that. What?
hypotenuse.
Eh?
Hypotenuse.
Hmm. No. Try again. Hypotenuse. I think it's hypotenuse you wanted to say. Hypotenuse is my S. What theorem should I use to help me find
Correct.
S? That's the question I'm asking.
As a
Yes,
right
I'm
angle triangle. So we
yeah,
do.
right triangle. You guys, it's in your notes. Check your notes. We learned it on Saturday.
I know.
I'm
Right
waiting.
angle
Oh.
triangle. To do hypotenuse equals to side 1 and side 2.
Hmm. Please, can you read your note and tell me what you saw in your note? Is it side 1 plus side 2 or side 1 squared plus side 2 squared?
Yes, I mean that.
You mean that?
Yes.
You need to
So
be sure of what you know so that you don't go and say another thing.
okay, sir.
Don't worry, don't write this down yet. So you write it down when you want to write in your book, and just writing
So
it so that you will not forget. Diameter is 2 times of the radius, so we must divide diameter by 2 to get Radio. So, radio is spelled Radius. Okay. All right. I just thought I should write that down. So when you are writing down the solution, you should forget to do that. Okay. So let's take up from there. So the Pythagoras theorem we are using, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, good.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
look at quote Pythagoras theorem for me quickly.
Sir, a hypotenuse. Three.
Hypotenuse, uh,
H
hypotenuse,
equals to hypotenuse equals side one squared.
hypotenuse or
No,
hypotenuse.
hypotenuse squared equals to side one squared plus side two squared. Oh,
Yes,
fit.
side one squared plus side two squared. Thank you. So, so you know what we're going to do? Instead of
Yes. We do.
just writing side one completely, we'll just write S1. Okay,
Yes.
S1 squared.
Square.
Yeah, S1 means side one, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Let that one be our code. Plus S2 was squared.
Square.
Please take note that the squared has to be written small so that it will look different from the other two. If not, it can confuse you. Okay? So, what's my hypotenuse in this diagram? What's my
The
hypotenuse?
hypotenuse is S.
Thank you very much. S. So, S squared is equal to what? Yes. What's my side one? Side one is what?
Yes.
2.
H
8 squared, yes. Plus what?
and six square. Eight squared plus six square.
Squared. All right, quickly. Who can tell me what A squared is? Favor. 8 squared is what?
64.
Thank you. 64. Faith. What
Mr.
is
Faith is the one that answered that.
Faith? I asked Favor to answer. All right, Favor, answer 6 squared, please.
It's
Faith, don't answer. 6,
36.
36. Okay, good. So 64 plus 36 is equal to what? This one is for anybody. Anybody can answer. 64 plus 36 is what?
Hmm, that will be that will be 100.
Thank you very much. And you forgot the answer correctly. That will be 100. But have we finished? Is that the final answer?
No.
No. What
No.
should I do next? What should
Mm,
I do next?
divided by 2. So it will
No.
be side
No.
square. Side square. You forgot the side square.
No. I'm
So
not
we
supposed to be
will.
dividing it by two. Give me a correct answer. I need to hear something correct, please.
So we're going to divide.
Yeah.
I'm going
No.
to
We're not.
minus.
No. Minus.
I'm going
Look
to
at
divide.
what is in front of you very well. It's saying S squared, something squared is equal to 100. What should I now do to find S? Don't
Something
tell me
plus
that you
something
have forgotten.
equals 100. 50 plus 50 equals 100.
No. S
There's no
squared.
addition we're doing.
Thank you very much. It's not addition we're doing. So tell me what we're doing. Which operation is squared? What's the opposite of squared? I'm giving you full name.
Times.
What's the opposite of squared? No. The opposite of
Division.
squared? No.
This is
What's the opposite of
take
squared?
the root, square root.
Mm. Because I wrote it down. That's why people are saying it, Abi.
No, you have not written it down.
I've written it down now. You've seen it. Take the square root of what? Both
No,
sides.
we said it before you even wrote it because of our own
Oh,
network. We cannot see something really fast and
oh, really? Okay.
like
Take the square root of both sides. So if I take square root of both sides, what will I have on the left hand side? The square root of
you will
s
have
squared
on
is
the
what?
uh
Square root of s squared.
sir
What is the square root of s squared?
S squared.
If I take the
S
square root as a
S
square, what will
squared.
happen to it? It will be s now. The square will disappear. Do you understand?
S, yes, equals to
So what is the square root of 100?
10.
Thank you. The square root of 100 is 10.
Think I said no one to
Uh,
know my
Please
you
don't
would
go and make
kill
mistake and say 50
you.
because square root
Like,
is not the same thing as division by 2. Please.
no.
So square root of 100 is 10. And what unit do we have there? 10 what? What's the
Uh,
unit?
10 centimeters square.
Eh? 10 centimeter square there. Where did you get
It's 10 square.
it's just 10 cm, please.
10 cm.
Okay? 10 cm. Oh yeah, start writing. Please don't forget to write down everything you see and draw the shape. Okay?
Oh my God. Yeah, I'm going to draw something small. If I should draw something like my real drawing, it will take me 2 hours.
Uh, no,
I'm
it's a
like,
sketch. Remember, I told you on Saturday, anytime you are sketching a map, it must not be perfect, but it should look like what you want the person who is looking at your sketch to understand. Okay? Imagine if I did not know how to sketch phone. People will be confused now. Okay, so try and sketch it as close as possible to what we can see. It doesn't have to be
I
perfect.
sketched
Trust me.
it. Yeah. See,
Okay. So your sketch is accurate.
so what if I did it like this?
Let's see your own. Okay, not bad. I like that. It's good. It's
Let me
good.
see.
So just step.
Jesus.
Okay. So go ahead and write down what
I
you
want
have
to just
there.
put in
Let me
choose.
scroll down that you can see.
But where is my I'm not praying. Wadaraba, Sharabutla, Harashadaba. Oh Lord, you are good. What are you like? Healing in the name of Jesus. I will not pray, receive it.
Please be writing or leave favor alone. Favor is writing.
Thank you, sir. Sir, somebody said that I should stop saying Jesus. And I was saying Jesus. I mistakenly I said sorry. Oh, leave me alone. If I give you that slap, me that slap. It's small. Oh, when last I saw funny somebody that they are small. You are not small. I'm not a small one. Yes, you. How old are you? Come and see my cheek now. No, 1 year. Okay, 1 year. Go to baby class now. Oh, I'm writing my handwriting. It's beautiful. For me, I'm 1 year old. I can still write with pen. I know it's my mommy that taught you. My mommy not teach me anything. My mommy that travel to a local job. Which local job? She cannot leave you alone when you're 1 year old. My daddy is the daddy that's gone to work. No, my daddy is not doing work again. Then how do you feed? My mom will send us money. From local job. Yeah. Rubbish. Rubbish. Rubbishes.
Okay. Are we
Rubbish.
done?
Yes. People, I don't understand. Sir, tell Faith to stop leave me alone. Stop leaving me. He said she should leave me alone. I
And
meant.
remember, anytime you are writing down, do your best not to stop so that you don't go and make a mistake and write down what you are saying. Hmm?
Sir,
Uh,
who is always saying that she's calling me a small rat. Did I say? Yes. Ah. Equals to 64 plus 36. S to S2 equals to 100. Take the square root. of both sides. Sides. 10, 100 equal. Sir Favour was done. Her faith started before me.
Mm.
Yes. Let me see 28 answer.
Get done, get done, get done. Don't hold us back. Let's see if we can do number 29 before we go.
So tell Faith to move ahead. If not, make her to leave the screen. Oh,
So let's go. Let's go to number 29. Okay, so number 29. Now, I want to listen to number 29 carefully. Are we listening?
Yes, sir.
Number
Yes.
29 says if 5 over 6, are we there?
Yes.
If 5 over 6 of a certain number, don't be blocking the camera, please. If 5 over
No, that
6 of a
is
certain
something
number,
that
if 5 over 6 of a certain number is minus 6 whole number 2 over 3,
no, if
the
like
number is
6 is a certain is
a
of a
certain
certain
number. I
number.
don't know what the question says.
Yes, I say 5
I
over
don't know
2.
what the question. And where did you see 5 over 2?
You say 5 over 2. No,
I said 5 over 2. Wait,
Sir,
did I say 5 over 2?
in what?
When I was reading the question, did I say 5 over 2?
Nope.
So why did Favour say I said 5 over 2?
No, sir, what I just know about people. If you even know hear something, maybe something is cotton wool, and as you not in the ear for her. You should hear what we next time. Hear what?
Favour, please listen
Feeling
very
bad,
well. I never said
feeling
5
bad.
over 2. Now, please,
No.
let's read the question again.
Eh,
5
eh,
over 6 off. Okay, now let's remember in mathematics, what is off? What does off mean? Who can remember?
Multiplication.
Thank you.
Okay.
Excellent. Multiplication. So, um, let me draw a line here.
So looking at the line as if it's more.
What did you say? What did you guys say? I didn't hear what you said.
I said that Faith is looking at the line like, yes,
Faith is looking at what?
your line as if it's a wall.
My line.
Your line is as she's Faith is looking at your line as if it's a wall. Mm-mm. Yeah, wall line. I'm looking at you because I just want to see how it's draining very straight. But my line can be very no, I'm not lying. Let me show you my line.
I
Very
know that my
straight.
line is. I told you people that we are not doing fine art here. Mathematics we are doing was not be perfect. Okay, but the important thing is that let it just look like what we want. So number 29 says 5 over 6 of a certain number. Now, I think I've told you for this thing before. Whenever they say a certain number, what are we supposed to do? Who can tell me?
Hmm?
Favor.
Anything can be. Sir,
Whenever you see a certain number in a question, what are you supposed to do?
if you see. Sir, your voice was cracking.
Okay, can
What
you
do
hear
you?
me now?
Yes.
Can you hear me now? I said
Yes.
anytime you start with a certain number in a question, what are you supposed to do?
You do much.
To do what?
Oh.
Wait, what are we supposed to do? Anytime you see a certain number in a question, what are you supposed to do?
5/6 of what? Of 30.
Where did you get 30 from? You
Wait,
said a
sorry, sir.
set. That means you
Which
don't
number
know
are
the
we?
number. You know the number.
Eh,
Faith, faith.
Yes, sir.
I asked a question. When they say a certain number, do
Okay,
you know what number? You don't
is
now. So that means,
yes.
so what are you supposed
I know it.
to letter to represent the certain number? Did you hear what I just said?
Yes, sir.
So
I
today
know what
we're
I
not going to
I know it.
are using letter T. Is that okay?
Yes,
It's not
sir. I know
compulsory that
it too.
you know what. Hmm. Don't just say anything. No. I told you not to guess. You cannot afford to start guessing in this kind of question. So when they say 5/6 of a certain number, so in this case, our own certain number, we're using letter T. Now, what does the question say? They say 5 over
The
6 of a
setting
certain
number,
number.
sir. Sir, I know the setting number.
Finish. Hold on. Hold on. They said after the certain number, what is the next word that you see there? Faith
Sir?
and favor. I don't like it that you are playing when I'm reading this thing. You need to understand what I'm saying. What comes after the what comes after the word certain number?
Hmm. What comes after the setting number?
Yes,
And we
is. Did you see that word is? Hmm? Can you see
yes.
the is there?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now that is in mathematics is represented as equal to. What did I say?
That it to be represented as equal to.
No, that's not what I said. Is.
Wait, stop. Hmm.
Please write this thing down in your book. I'm not writing it down for fun. Is, let me put it in quotation mark. Is means equals to. And you're not supposed to write now. You can write it down when you're writing down the solution. What did I say is means?
This means equals to.
Mhm. So they now said 5/6 of a certain number is minus six
Maybe
whole
this
number 2/3. I want you to
6
listen, because we are going to be doing something that you have not done before. 6 whole number 2/3. Take note.
over 3. They showed
Uh,
us in this thing. They
there's
showed
a
us.
minus. How are we supposed to do first? You can tell me.
We look for the no for what can divide it and it is 30.
No,
No.
no,
You yes,
no.
make it into
You have
improper
it.
action. Sorry.
Yes, you make it to what? Improper fraction. Thank you very much. So let's turn that minus 6 whole number 2/3 to improper fraction. What will it become? What will it become? Yes, I'm waiting. I'm not hearing anything from anybody.
Oh, come on.
So number 2/3, improper fraction, what does it become? I expect people should be writing down in your book.
Oh, yeah.
Not
Sir, we did not hear you anything. Somebody was calling us that see him in Joma is somebody was calling us. If
can
you
you hear
bless it,
me now?
yes, sir. What it's
I
not
said
good.
6 whole number 2/3 is what as improper fraction? So you should be writing down your book. Figure it out quickly. This whole
Okay.
number 2/3 is what as improper fraction?
Six phone number. That would be 20 over T. 20
20
over
over,
T. Yeah.
thank you.
Yeah.
20/3. So don't forget that there's a minus there. Minus what? 20/3. Now I want you to
Ah,
watch.
it's
Just watch.
equals
Oh,
equals.
just watch. Just watch what I'm doing. Please, just watch what I'm doing. Please, watch what I'm doing. Now let me ask people a question. If I had this is not what I have. Oh. I said if I had this in a question, 2x, okay, equals 6, and they ask me to find x, what will I do to both sides?
Yes.
2x equals 6. What will I do to both sides to find x? Quickly.
Divide by
Say,
both sides.
divide both sides by what?
By 6.
Eh?
2.
I- Thank you. By 2 now. How will I divide both sides by 6? It's 2 that is close to the x. So that's why I'm dividing both sides by 2, isn't it?
Yeah. I pick a big
Good.
baby.
Now, let's come back to my question, to the question that we're doing. We are looking for t, and we said 5/6 t equals minus 20/3. What should I do to both sides? Quickly.
You should divide by both sides.
Divide both sides by what?
By
Divide both
2.
sides by what?
2. 2. The
No,
answer 6.
no.
Just divide both sides. I'll write divide both
Divide both
sides
sides by what?
by
I'm listening. No, you people are not saying anything. Divide both sides.
3. We now divide both sides by 3.
No. Where did you get 3 from? Where are you seeing? Where are you seeing that? I asked you a question. When we had 2x equals 6, we divided both sides by 2. Why? Because it was 2 that was multiplying what we're looking for, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
In this other question, what are we looking for? Is it not t we're looking for?
Yeah.
It's multiplying t. Yes, what's multiplying t?
No.
I think now it's in front of you. What number is multiplying t?
Um, 5/6.
Thank you. 5/6. Why are you afraid? Why was that difficult to figure out?
No.
So what are we going to do? We're going to simply divide both sides by what? 5/6. Now I know you are wondering, 5/6 is a fraction. How do I divide both sides by 5/6? It's very, very simple. Now look at what is going to happen. Look at what's going to happen. Please just watch you. It's very, very simple. If I divide both sides by 5/6, we already know that 5/6 will take care of itself on the left hand side, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Now look at the right hand side. It's the right hand side that I know that you people are curious about. Minus 20/3 divided by what? 5/6, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Watch, oh, please just watch. You see that this thing is, if not the simplest question among all the ones we've done, it will be one of the simplest questions. Sorry, let me do that my division is not looking like something divided by 5/6. Now, who can tell me what will happen to that division sign? That division sign there will become what? Who can tell me?
Multiplication.
Thank you, to become multiplication. And then what will happen to the 5/6?
It is
What will happen to the 5/6?
it is 6 to go up, 5 will go down.
you. Thank
They've
you.
taught us
That
in our
is
class before.
yes, yes, yes. I expect they should have taught you. That's why I'm asking you. And I'm
Oh,
confident that you times what? 6/5. Oh yeah. Wait, are you ready to cancel for us? What to
yeah.
cancel?
5
Tell
and
me, tell
5,
me.
5 and 20, 3 and
Thank you.
6.
Excellent. Excellent. So 5 in itself is 1. 5 in 20 is what? You've not finished your work.
4.
Oh. Thank you. 4. And favor. 3 in itself is 1. 3 in 6 is what?
The answer is A. That's A.
I asked a question. I said 3 in itself is 1. And 3 in 6 is what?
Two. I said 2.
Okay.
Mm.
The only thing I heard was the answer is 8. I started wondering, where did people get the answer from? But is the answer really 8?
Yes, sir. Sir, but our own is
So,
-8.
correct yourself. -8 now.
Yes,
Negative
sir,
8.
because
I
you
don't
don't
know
see
where.
negative. Oh, sorry.
You've forgotten the minus sign here. Look at
I
it.
did
That
not
minus
really
sign.
see it. So our answer is negative.
So the answer is what? -8.
Negative
That's
8.
all right. Any questions?
No.
Don't forget to write this zero and put it in a box. It's a fact. Anytime you see it in a question,
Right.
okay, this word equals
So our paper has already done that.
I think I also need to say that whenever you see a certain number, whenever you see the phrase a certain number, whenever you see the phrase,
Sir,
yes,
I have a question.
I'm coming. Let me finish writing this thing I'm writing. Whenever you see the phrase a certain number, you must always use a letter to represent your unknown number. Okay, yes, I'm listening.
I'm
What
confused. I want to be really sure where we got this from. Where did we get this 2x from?
the
Hey,
story? It's not originally part of the question. I just gave you that thing just so that I'll remind you of what you are supposed to do. So put it inside a box when you are writing down. Okay? Don't just write it like that. Put it in a box. It's just to remind us what we are doing. That anytime we are looking for a letter, you divide both sides by what is multiplying that letter. Do you understand? Do you understand?
yes, sir.
Okay, so please put it in a box. It's not part of the work. It's not part of the question. It's just to help us remember.
Equal, equal. So you forgot
When
something in your
I
in
forgot,
this.
did I forget?
Is
Tell
that
me what I
something?
forgot.
You forgot to write what is equals to
Equals to what again? -8 cannot equal to anything again. I
this is
written
the
it now.
answer. That is the option they gave us.
Have I ever
Hercules!
written, answer me.
Yes.
Have I ever written any option for you in my class? Have I ever written option for you? You're the one that
No.
wrote it for you. And I forgot it. I didn't forget it.
Ah, so Favour is disturbing me. I know. Should do in my face.
Don't mind that. I saw her.
What's that rubbish? Rubbish, rubbish.
So we have 10 minutes. So that means we're coming back here at 10:27. Is that okay?
10:27.
Yes,
10:18.
that's okay.
Yes. Master.
Okay. So don't forget, let's try and keep the time.
Sir, I have a question. Has it reached 1 hour?
Please, are you done writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we're waiting for Favour.
Sir, has it reached
Yes,
1 hour?
yes, it has passed 1 hour, sir.
Maybe I told
Don't worry.
you. Maybe about. Sir, please can we meet at the
Yes, go
Facebook? Call me the link. Call me the link. It's big man to be with. My hand on
ahead.
it.
Please allow her to write now.
She's hitting my head, and I thought that. Yeah, no, it's fair that it's hitting my head. But let's use our faith. One faith in our language. One. That faith is twisting my ear like pipe. 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 I even heard you said pipe. Used to hear. Pi R square. No. Now can we go on break? We're going on break now. Then we have to wait for you. Ding ding. Oh,
Please,
ding
please,
ding.
you can go. Favour,
So please, this one out. So can we finish class? When are we finishing class? Oh, fit. I'm going to class.
don't worry, we're
You.
not going to spend up to 1 hour. Just make sure that you come back.
Okay, sir. Have a wonderful day.
Okay, are we ready?
Sir, you use
2 more
use.
minutes. Sorry about it. Okay, so we're ready for the remaining bit.
So can we do one more, or we should still continue till we stop?
And let's continue. Let's continue. We just resume from break, right? Let's continue. Okay, so we just did number 29.
Oh,
I can't see both of you. What happened? Is
yeah,
this
yeah.
the way you, maybe it's the way you need to
This
make that?
first we need to get somewhere immediately to see. So that's why she's not doing. She's sad. Before we now run
Okay,
late.
alright, so already let's continue. Let's do number 30. Who is reading number 30 for us?
Me, Favour. No. Is you that read 29? You read 28. You read 27, I read 28, I now read 29. You now read 20. I'm supposed to read 20. So I don't read anything. It's 29. You said you were saying
Faith,
something. No.
faith, faith, faith.
I
Let's
spent
favor read
35K.
and faith will read the next one.
It says
All right,
express
favor.
35K as fraction of 2 naira. Fraction. Sir,
Yes, you read
I
it
read
well.
the
Oh.
question. Sir?
What what that K? What does that K mean?
Sir?
The K. What does that K mean? The K. 35 what?
Sir? Should be a head.
35 what? What does the K mean?
Kobo.
Thank you. So read it like that and read the 2 as 2 naira. I have 1 to go.
Express 35 kobo as fraction of
2 what?
2 naira.
2 naira. Good. Now,
2 naira.
the 35 kobo. Faith, are you listening? Let's pay attention. That 35 kobo that they say we should express, that 35 kobo will be the numerator. Okay? What did I say? What did I say? 35 kobo will be what?
Oh, you're doing what's breaking. Yeah, now I'm breaking.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
So 35 kobo, what did I say 35 kobo will be?
35 kobo
Faith,
will
I'm not paying
be
attention again. No, Faith, I can't, you're not paying attention. I said 35 kobo will
3,000.
be what?
No. If you do 35 kobo to change it to naira, I will times it by
I didn't ask you
100.
to change anything to naira. I said 35 kobo will be what? Numerator or denominator? Which one will it be?
But you read the question. It will be numerator.
Thank you. And then it will be what?
2 will be denominator.
Now we cannot have different units, so we have to change naira to kobo. So 2 naira is what in kobo?
2,000 kobo.
Oh, 2,000 is 200.
I mean 200.
Mm-hmm. So we have 35 kobo over what? 200 what?
200 kobo. Yes, sir.
Faith, Faith, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Please help us to divide 35 by 200. Once we go into 35, what should we do? 5 in
5,
35 is how many times?
7,
7.
in
5 is 200. How many times?
40. 40. Said 40.
Thank you. What should I do next? Is there any other thing that can go?
No. Yes. No.
No, thank you. So the final answer is what? 7 over 40. Did you notice that there's no unit here?
Yes, that is it.
Did
Sir?
you notice that there's no unit? Because the kobo cancels kobo. Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
So please write it down in your book like that.
It is so small.
Yes, it's a very simple question. Now let me show you for something. Let me please write this also as part of when you're writing in your book. Write it. Let me put let me put it.
So I won't fit to fit is disturbing me. Hey, I
The
see you.
number that comes Please, I've told you, don't be talking when you're writing so that you don't go and write
I'm
what you are
done.
saying.
Then,
They're not done, no. I'm still writing something. The number
then
that comes after F,
that's common.
OF in the question will be the
Hmm.
denominator. While the other number will be the
The number.
denominator. Okay, when you write this, then you can be done. All right. Okay. Important part of the question because they'll determine what you do in the next one. Please don't forget to write it down. Are we done?
Almost
Okay.
will be the numerator. This numerator is the denominator. You see the hey, sir, pay this thing. Wow, that was no.
Stanford. Sounds like a bit of a story, but I'm sure you can handle it. Are you ready?
It's like a story. How come a very long
Story
story?
that gives us information. Are you ready?
We didn't know. We didn't know.
And that story will help us to solve number 31, 32, and 33.
31. Okay. Says, use the information below. Answer question 31 to 33.
Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Is it three
Okay, let me
motorcycle?
help you.
I'll
Three
do
motorists. They are called
motorcycle.
motorists, not motorcyclists. Motorists are people who are
Motorists.
driving cars. Yes, go ahead. Three motorists. Yes.
Three motorists Odu or
Olu and Hassan.
and
Adu. Olu and Hassan. Yes.
took in a race. All three
Two
started
starting a race.
at the same time. The distance to be covered was 300 km, 300 kilometers. The
Yes.
average speed of the three
Mm.
motorcycles were at do 80
Kilometer per
kilometers
hour.
per hour.
Olu.
Olu 100 kilometers per
Kilometer
hour.
per uh-huh.
And
And Hassan.
Hans, isn't 31 again after me? And
Yes,
Hans,
go ahead. Hassan, what?
5 km. That is
Per hour.
75 kilometers per hour. Now,
Okay.
31
Now the
question
question
is,
is what?
who
Who won the
won the
race?
race?
Now,
Who won the
now
race
let me ask
number?
you a question. Let me ask you a question. If you look at even what you have here, who do you
Yes.
think will win the race? They started at the same time.
Olu,
Oh. Why do you think Olu will win the race?
because he has the highest kilometer.
The highest speed, not the
Kilometer.
highest kilometer, the highest speed.
Highest speed.
Thank you. You understand? You're right.
Yes.
You're very, very correct. So number 31 doesn't even need to solve anything. So the answer is what? Is Olu. Oh,
Olu.
yes. Yes. They
Olu
started off at
is
the same
P.
time. Okay, so
Oh,
that's B.
number
Okay.
32
Number
is
32.
says how
Uh-huh.
far had Adu gone after 1 hour, one
One and
over
a half
two
hours.
hours.
One
One
and a half
hour,
hours.
1 over 2 hours.
Uh-huh. No, that's not you need to say 1.5 hours.
1.5 hours.
1.5 hours. Now, who can tell me how we will solve this? When they tell you how far has somebody gone, what are they asking for? How far? Yes,
Yes. What do I know? I need
for
to
how far has somebody gone? What are they asking for?
you do have to do. Since it got
Talk,
80
talk,
k
talk to me.
speed,
Talk to me.
so we have to add.
I'm not adding anything. What are they asking for when they say how far has somebody gone after a certain time? What are they asking for? I'm not adding anything.
Faith is not answering. I'm answering, but you not answer now.
Please give it a try. What does how
So
far mean?
how far? Number 32 Shebi, how far did
Now let me bring the question home. Wait, listen to this question. Wait,
mm,
can you see that door behind you people?
vision?
Door at your back, door
Yes.
behind you. Can you see that door? Now
Yes.
I'm going to ask you a question. I want you to answer me intelligently. How far is that door from where you are?
Sir?
How far is the door from where you are sitting?
It's not near. It's not far.
Not far, but what do you think I'm asking you?
How far?
Yes. Whenever somebody says how far, what do you think the person is asking for?
What?
Yes.
What is the distance
Thank
between this
you.
and that?
Thank you. Thank you. What is the distance? Okay. I like that. Now let us come back to our question. They say, how far has Ado gone after 1.5 hours? So what are they asking for?
What is the distance he has gone 1.5 hours?
So much. Correct. Now we are there. So now let us calculate the distance, isn't it? So who can tell me what is the formula for distance?
Ah,
I will catch you people. What is the formula for distance?
so they are not
Can tell-
talking.
I've not taught you. You have forgotten.
No, they said that they are not taught us.
But okay, they've not taught you in school. But have I taught you in our class?
No.
Ah, wait,
Sir?
even you.
No, you
Wait,
do
you
not.
don't. I've not
They
taught you.
teach us.
Uh, my goodness.
Yes.
So are you telling me that this thing I just wrote down now, you've never seen it in your life?
Hmm.
Uh,
I'm not
Abba,
joking.
Abba.
No, our battery is low.
Your
Our
battery is low.
connection is unstable and the battery is low.
What
Yeah.
happened? You could have a charger.
I don't know. No, the charger.
Okay,
So,
there is
but
no
I've
light.
not seen it before in our life.
Okay,
Not
no problem. Okay, no wahala. Let's assume that this is the first time. Okay.
Yes.
So now the S stands for speed. What did I say S stands for?
That's for speed.
Thank you. And the D stands for what?
This
Distance. The T stands for what?
C stands for time.
Thank you. Stands for time. Correct.
I
So
put it I don't know. That's my first one.
equals distance over what? Time.
That's a big one for you.
All right. So let's apply to this question. Remember, Favour correctly said that it's distance that we're looking for. Now, when we are looking for distance, what do you think will happen to both sides? Let's go ahead and
Divide
apply.
by both sides.
Hold on, no, hold on, just hold on. Let's apply. The question is asking us for who? Ado, isn't it?
Yes.
Let's go back to the question and find out what is Ado's speed.
80.
Favour, you are the one that read it. Faith
Yes,
was the one
80.
80. Are you sure?
80. Yes. You got
Was it
80.
8?
Yes, sir. 80 speed.
Hold
This
on. 80 is equal to what is the distance? We don't know. So just put your V there. All right. What was
how
the
we
time?
know
The question,
distance.
we don't know distance now. I've forgotten. We don't know. Look at the
Oh,
question.
sorry.
The question is asking us how far. Is that not what the question says?
Yeah.
Okay, you are thinking that that 300 is the distance. No, that 300 is the total distance, not the one that the question is asking us. The question is asking us for 1.5 hours. You understand? It's not that 300 we will use. It's that
Yes, sir.
uh-huh.
Got
So the
this.
time is what? 1.5, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hello?
Sir,
It's
one and a
1.5,
half
right?
hours.
Good. Now we're looking for the. Now, again, please follow me. Oh, follow me. Let's pretend that we have something like this. Are we together? Let's pretend that I have something like this. 4 equals x over 2. Who can tell me what I will do to both sides to get my x?
Divide by both sides.
No.
Eh.
Look at it carefully. It's not the same thing like what we did that last time. 4 equals x over 2. What will I put to both sides?
Would multiply
Thank you. Multiply by what?
by
Multiply by.
2.
Thank you. You multiply both sides by 2. I hope you are not guessing. Oh. I hope you are not guessing. You multiply both
No.
sides by 2. In other words, you multiply both sides by what is in the denominator of what you are looking for. So that will
Yes.
now make from 4 times 2, which is what?
4 times 2, 8.
Thank you, which is 8. So in this particular one that I'm doing, the answer is x equals 8. Okay. Now let's go back to our question. Remember, that's not our real question. Let's complete the square. That's not the real question. So let's go back to our question. Our question is 80 equals d over 1.5. So what am I going to do to both sides? Yes, apply the same thing that you just did now. What am I going to do to both sides?
2 times by both sides.
By what?
By 1.5 hours. One
Thank
and
you.
a half hours.
1.5. Correct. Yes. At 1.5, isn't it?
In 1.5 hours. How do you even divide it by 1.5 hours? We
Don't
reduce
worry.
one and a half hours to what is it,
Oh
to
my God.
halves. So there are 3 halves in 1.5 hours.
Yeah,
So
correct.
it will be
Very, very
3.
correct.
80 divided by 3 is what? Is
You
still is
multiply both
2
sides by
remaining.
one
No,
and a half.
it's 2.
So, so let us do it now. You said it was 80 times 1.5, isn't it?
Wait.
Yes, now 1.5 is what? 3 over 2, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Faith, do you have any question?
First is asking, sir. Do you
Faith, do
if
you
I
have
have
a
to
question?
no 80
Uh-huh.
times 3 is
80 times 3
two
over
hundred
2 is
and forty. Two hundred
no,
and
that's not
forty.
how we people have forgotten. How do you do questions like you've forgotten? 2 in itself.
Oh,
Two in
multiply.
8. unit is what?
She's 100 and yeah.
Therefore,
That is 120.
thank you. So D is equal
D is 120.
to 10. So the answer is 120 what? What's the unit? Kilometers, right?
Answer. But stay
It's
and
120 kilometers, right?
my
Eh? Hello, girls. 120 kilometers, right?
yes, answer and the letter you wrote D is still in our in the book and it's even the same. D is
Okay,
the real answer.
okay. All right. So can you write this down in your book?
No ink, no ink.
No, write it down in your book. Let's go on to the next one. The
Because
next one is number
over
26.
I do. Only Vivian, it's 25 hours. Oh, which 25 hours? Look at yourself and
So are
check
you
it.
done?
No, it's telling you that it's disturbing. What are you doing? Oh, no. See? Open box. Treasure should be here, macaroni, and grandma will beat you. She are scattering our shop.
Are you done? Wait, are you done?
No, we can.
Favor, can we continue?
No, I'm almost done. Almost done.
All right.
I'm KKM. MKKM. I mean that formula that you did that box. Me, I've never looked at it. I skipped it when I finished. I write it. What?
Okay,
What?
so let's start. I think we'll do number 33 and call it a day.
Because it will soon be 11. Until now, look at if I spend 32 hayways. I'll no,
Favor,
if
are
it
you done?
reach 2, almost 1 hour, 1/80. I mean that division where therefore
Okay.
40 times 2/2000 because therefore D equals to 20 km. Okay,
Is it 20 or 120?
33. It says, how long did it take us to finish the race? Let me see. How
Is
long?
that not Hassan? How did you pronounce that word? Pronounce that name correctly now. That's Hassan.
Okay, sorry. How long did it take Hassan to finish the race?
Now,
2
when
hours.
somebody says how long is what question are they asking?
The
Is it distance?
distance.
No. How long?
How far?
Wait. How
Far?
long is what? How long is what?
You mean how long is like how far? How long is how far? How far it can reach?
No. No. You cannot talk.
No, it's long.
How long means what? How long means what?
How how
Now,
what like
now listen to this question. Let me help you. Listen to this question.
is on near? How on near? Is
How
it
long did it take? How long did it take you to finish your
it took him 2 hours.
So how long is what?
How long? It's like, what is the distance? No. What is this?
Saying anything again. You are not asking me. Say how long does it take you to do something? What are they asking? Distance or time?
What is, how long time have you spent? Nope.
It's time. Please, don't allow this thing to confuse you. How far is distance? How long is what? Time.
Time.
Is that okay? I don't know if you have to write that down in your book again. I don't know.
No.
I think it's a
No.
easy thing.
No.
Hmm? How
No.
long is what? How far is distance? How long is time? Let's do number 33. Number 33.
Yeah.
Don't allow this thing to confuse you. Hmm? It's very, very simple. How far is distance? How long is time?
How far? Let me draw. How far?
You want to write it down?
Excuse me,
You want to
sir.
write it down?
Excuse me, sir. When you were drawing your line, I saw you did not write anything for 31. 31,
Oh, yeah.
yes. Simple. I know, but you did
Calculation.
not write anything. That is not going to, do not,
Yeah, I
when
write
what
it.
to write.
Which one was the highest speed? Was it Olu?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So write it down in your book too. It's Olu. That one doesn't need calculation.
What is this vision?
And if you want to give a reason, what reason are you going to say? It is Olu because his his speed is the highest, right? Is that not the reason?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that okay? So that's time for number 31, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's go to number 32. Number 32, like I said, is what? How long? And how long is what? Time.
Hi.
So who can remember our formula is what? P equals what?
Is it 2 or S? S. Okay. S equals to
P equals
D
distance
over
by what?
T.
Over
Ah,
T.
what
Then
that is
what is
Hassan.
our S for Hassan?
Hassan,
S for,
hallelujah. Column. Yeah.
yes. What is our S for Hassan?
Column. The speed was 75. His
Wait,
star
can you
is
listen?
start
Was
was
Hassan's speed 75? Check if favor is correct.
let me see it before you can. And his time is what's his name? 1 hour, 1.5 hour. It was uh, feet not, to slide me. Okay, sorry. So and Hassan's is 75 kilometer, and
Okay. So that
his
means speed is correct. What is the distance covered? Yes. Let me see if you remember this
300
one.
kilometers.
And 300 kilometers. Okay. Are we ready now? So which one
Yeah.
are we looking for? The one I'm looking for is what? T, isn't it? Favor is not paying attention. No.
Is T, we're looking for T.
Favor, focus, focus, focus. I'm looking for T. All right, now look. You need to know the question I'm going to ask you now. Isn't it? Let's hit the road. So 4 equals 8
Uh,
over What you 8 over x. The
Which is
question is, what are we going to do to both sides to find x?
she we should
Should
divide
I give you
by
place? No, you can't do divide now.
you can
So don't worry, I'll help you. Let me help you. Anytime you see yourself in this kind of situation, eh, the best thing to do is to pretend that there's a one here. Pretend that the one on the left hand side has a one. Are you with me?
yes sir.
In fact, let me give you a very quick way to solve it. Even leave that one of pretending that there's a one there. Anytime you see yourself in this kind of scenario, 4 equals 8 over x, you know what will happen? Simply move the x to where the 4 is, eh? And then
Mm,
move the 4 to where the x is. Did you see what I said? Did you see what I said?
yes sir.
Move the x to where the 4 is and move the 4 to where the x is. In other words, let the x and the 4 switch. Is that okay?
Yes sir.
Is that okay? So what
Yes
will the
sir.
answer be in this case? 2, isn't it?
Yes yeah.
Uh-huh. Are you ready to do it for this one that we're solving now?
Mm,
Are you ready to do it for the one that we're solving now?
yes sir. One remainder. So the answer is very easy. Mm,
Really?
yeah.
Ah, the answer is very easy. Wow. Alright
Mm,
now, tell
mm.
me the answer. What should happen in this case? I have 75 equals 300 over t. What will happen to the t?
Which one? This 75. We will divide, as you said. Sir, please, can I annotate very small?
Alright,
So,
annotate, annotate.
I'll say, oh, wait, I have to ask him first. So, it will be like you said, 75.
Favor, look at what we are doing. Don't be distracted. 75 equals 300.
75 equals 300.
Mhm.
300 over T. So, you said as you're going to do? Some So as we said, we are going to do is that T. So we are going to this year and to year. So this 75,
Mhm.
it will move to where the T is.
Yes.
So it will be T
Mhm.
equals to equals to 300.
Uh-huh.
300
Over what?
over 75.
Thank
No
you
need
very
of
much.
calculation.
Who told you that there's no need
Check
of
it.
calculation? Who is the
The
person that will
answer
do the
is 5. Yeah. 5 can go in 300.
favor is going to do the calculation for us. I have favor quickly.
Sorry, sir.
Since I've already
So I've
given us
already
the
calculated.
you've already calculated it.
Excuse.
Are you sure? Favor, are you saying that it is correct?
Yeah.
Huh?
What to still calculate? Cancel 5 in 30. That 5 in 300, that is 60 now. Wait, leave me.
Yes. Thank you. 5 in
5
300 is
in
60. 5
45
in
is
75.
15.
Huh? Where did you get 45 from? 75.
75, I mean. 15.
Mm, 15. Thank you. Uh-huh. What next? What next?
So, to do C. Ah, so I cannot annotate it, you know.
What's the next thing you do?
We do, we divide, then we divide. Wait, wait. It's not you said I should calculate. Close. Yeah. Yeah.
Favor, you're not answering now. What's the final answer?
I said my final answer would be two, two, three. It would be
Hmm?
four. Four.
So, Faith, where did you get 5 from?
Five.
That you are telling us no need to calculate that the answer is 5.
Which five?
Please,
So
the
how
answer
can four go in 15? No, would still be divided by five. 5 in 60, 12. 5 in 15, 3. 3. What can go again? 3. 3 in
so
12. That is 1. 3 in 12, 4. 3 in itself, 1. It's 4 hours. And in
so
our
the
book,
answer is 4 hours, isn't it?
yeah, yeah. Hmm. And in our
But
answer,
don't go
see.
straight.
Ooh, apple. Excuse my repeating.
Faith, write in your book, oh, leave Favor alone.
Me. She was disturbing me. When did I disturb?
He
She
was
might
disturbing you, disturbing her.
Sir, some people has window teeth. Mm-hmm. Not good for have window teeth again. It's not good for somebody to have window teeth. You are feeling the way you're feeling. You too. No window teeth, even he knows. He does not know you have window teeth. Oh, feet. Sure. Grandma. Grandma. Bob. What is it? I was so she has window teeth. It's a crime. I don't know about the really one. No, it's you. Yes, no. Why did I work then? See, have window teeth. See. Yeah,
Done.
see that. Yeah.
Favor, are you done?
Almost there. C equals to 4. 300 plus 4 slash 2 slash 3. So Favor's done. 16. 60. So Favor is done. Done
Okay,
and
Favor.
promising. Exactly.
So I'll send you for homework to do for tomorrow. Next class, these classes we're doing, we'll do just Monday, Wednesday, Friday, okay? So I'll send
Yes.
you for something to do. I hope people will be able to do it. You have time.
I'm going to
You're on
that.
holiday.
I
Hmm?
want to
You're on
that.
holiday. Do-
Yes. Good thing, good thing, good thing, good thing. Thank you, sir.
All right, thank God.
Treasure, come on. Treasure, come
So
on.
see you guys again on Wednesday.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye
sir.
bye. Pleasure. Bye.